in one side, and then you're gonna cook in another.
It's not that hot anymore, right?
No, it's a little bit hot.
Can I have the tiny spoon, please?
Yeah. Right finger. See how fast Grayson's going.
It still is hot.
It is still hot, Papa.
Grandma, you don't know how to cook watermelon?
I don't. Gotcha.
Almost.
La cebolla, pollo a ese, mira.
You got it with him?
Yo estaba.
Come on, baby.
Bye.
Look at the other side. 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 Look. Is that okay? Look it up.
Yeah.
They got some holes or something. Is that okay? Just checking.
Let me see.
No, I think it's all flipped over.
They're flipped over?
Wait. I don't need this toy. I don't need this toy. I want the Pokemon now. I want the Pokemon. Okay, I'm gonna help put the water in, Mom.
The water, yeah.
Grandma. I like the Grandma.
Yes, can I help you?
Cherry Grandma.
I don't want this. I want so satisfying. Pokemon I
I'll
want.
give you this.
Okay,
You can
tell
cut
Titi.
it.
Titi help you.
Cut it.
I know how to cut.
Okay.
I don't want this. I don't want
I'm gonna
these
take it out of
toys.
here.
I want the Pokemon toys, please.
They're Grayson's.
Because they're mine. No.
They're Grayson's.
Did you pay for them?
For what?
Pokemon toys?
Oh, for the cut. Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow, that was a perfect one.
Yep, there you go. Que no se las coja de la mesa, Titi. Now cut it and put it in the bowl.
I think I know how to cut.
Okay, you got it.
You got it.
Perfect.
Next.
Next. Porque eso se ve así, como hueco.
Do I
Perfect.
need to cut them sideways?
Yes. Yes, perfect. 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 You just have to give it like a little twist, but they're not hard, right?
Wait.
This one you gotta cut it in half. Yep, yeah.